Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to extract PDF pages. If this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe us. Here is our PDF file. So, let's extract its pages. Go to browser, type split PDF, and here select your PDF file. Now we extract it. If you don't need some pages, you can uncheck them. In my case, I need all three. And split it. It's ready, download it. Here is our zip file. I extract it into a folder. Boom! Here is our three extracted PDF pages. Each includes one page only. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.